Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll learn about comments in JavaScript. So if you ask what are comments, so comments are a piece of text inside your JavaScript code that the browser completely ignores while executing. So they are not executed and they do not affect how your program runs. So instead, comments are written to explain the code to developers, to the other humans. So if you ask why do we need to use comments, we need to use comments to make the code easier to understand, to describe some complex logic which is present in the code, and to leave that as a future reference for the other developers who use your code in future. Let's try to understand this concept with an example. So let us start with single line comments. Single line comments. So if you see this one, I'll console log hello. Run this in Node.js. So you can see hello text was printed. If I want to add another line, but I do not want that to be executed, in a double slash. This is a comment. Save it, run it, and you will see that particular line was not executed. Comment. You can add these comments in the same line where the code is written as well. For example, like this, and this will work fine as well. So anything which is written after that particular line is ignored. But if you try to write in the next line, this is a comment, then you will probably get an error. See, you got an error, syntax error. So this double slash can be used only in a single line. That was single line comments. Now we will try to understand what is multi-line comments. So when you want to write multiple lines of comment, you need not type the double slashes again and again. You just have to put a slash and an asterisk, and you can write your comment line 1, comment line 2, comment line 3. Once you're done with your comments, you can just put an asterisk and a slash, and the comment will get over. Then you can write the actual code. Hello world, if you want to be executed. And here you go. You can see hello world is printed. So that means the commented lines were ignored. So this is how we use comments. To sum up, comments in JavaScript help improve readability, maintainability, and collaboration. So they do not change your how your code runs, but they improve how your code is understood.